That looks
oh my gosh.
absolutely amazing. Cannot wait for that to be launched in September, right? September?
Yes.
I'm looking forward to adding that to my classroom library, getting that going for my kids. I love the ability for the kids to, kind of practice their reading as they go along and how it structures the different lessons and adds the games. It's just going to be a great add-on for our toolbox.
Yeah, for me, I feel like sometimes when kids struggle with reading, they get kind of stigmatized and they end up getting like sent to the table or they get sent away to work on something. And if we don't think that kids realize that, come on. And so this is such a cool way to sit down a child and allow them to work on something, and they're gonna be like the envy of the class. Everyone else will be like, I wanna play that. And how cool is that and empowering is that to make them feel, that way, whether they're a struggling reader or not. But for me, I can't wait to introduce it to those struggling readers.
I loved it. I can't wait. I am a certified reading specialist in the state of New Jersey, in addition to being a technology coach. And I can just see so many ways that students are going to be able to use this to not only foster their reading success, but to foster their engagement and enthusiasm for reading as early as grade kindergarten. I love how much it really grows with the students. I love that there's a sequence so that it builds upon their skill acquisition as they go through. So it's not just a one-stop shop activity, but something that they can maintain and grow with throughout the grades.
What I really enjoyed about your new product was that it really focused in on phonological awareness, and it starts with the phoneme level. So students get to see and hear phonemes, which are so critical to learning how to read and building that orthographic map. And then it moved to the blends and digraphs. So we know that it's very sequential, and it is also multimodal, so it gives students multi-levels of exposure.
It was just a fun way to show our kids that you can be on a screen, you can play, but you can also create, and you can brainstorm, and you can problem solve. It was an interactive way of play.
Yeah, I think it brings the joy back into literacy, right? I mean,
Anything.
or anything, yeah, you're right, anything. And so being able to add that element of play into the learning is so important now because it captures that engagement. And so it's been really great to see how Osmo has evolved over the years, because who would have thought it would have come to something as amazing as that?
Yeah, and they play together, right? That's something that brings everybody together and allows everyone to do something, in that same space.
I wish I could take it home with me right now.